Look, let's be honest. Design is subjective. It always has been. But there is a key difference between good design and great design. And that lies at the intersection where form meets function. Striking that perfect balance can be a tricky path to tread. But today, I'm driving a car that does exactly that, and I'm headed to a destination that does the same. Two examples of great design, one right here, one waiting for me at the other end. Welcome to the radical new Kia Syros.
The Syros is more than just a car, it's a statement on wheels. Clean lines, funky futuristic elements, and a tall confident stance that sets the tone for what awaits within.
The first thing you notice when you step into the Syros is just the oodles of space on offer here. And then you feast your eyes on this stunning dashboard that looks straight out of the future, and you know you're in for a great experience.
Aircon set to auto, my route mapped out with Apple CarPlay, and the 8-speaker Harman Kardon sound system keeping me company, the Syros had me cocooned in luxury as the miles rolled on.
It's a long drive and we've got some time on our hands, so let me tell you a little more about our destination. 26th of January 2001. That is the date that Bhuj experienced one of the worst earthquakes to ever rock our nation. In the aftermath of that devastation, the people of Gujarat rose together to rebuild the city into the cultural hub that it is today. And then, in 2022, Bhuj opened the doors to the Smritivan Earthquake Memorial and Museum, an ode to the resilience of the human spirit.
But this isn't just any museum. It's a masterpiece of design thoughtfully carved into the hillside on the outskirts of the city. Such a compelling design, in fact, that UNESCO awarded it the prestigious Prix Versailles Award for Architecture and Design in 2024. But before we get there, the Syros' punchy 1-litre turbo petrol engine and butter-smooth DCT gearbox have some work to do. A long journey like this demands confidence in your machine, and that's where the Syros' Level 2 ADAS features come in, letting me relax behind the wheel knowing that I'm in safe hands as it continues to munch mile after mile. And Kia has gone the extra mile with the Syros, offering over-the-air updates for the 16 onboard controllers, along with Kia Connect diagnostics that let you remotely diagnose and resolve any issues directly with their service team.
So we have finally made it to the Smritivan Earthquake Museum here in Bhuj. It's a design that, much like the Syros, isn't just about looking spectacular. It's about adding purpose and meaning to aesthetics. But to truly appreciate it, you have to look at it from up there.
Spread across 470 acres, this memorial park is a tribute to resilience, with over 5 lakh trees planted in memory of those lost. It's a space designed to blend into the landscape, featuring check dams, sunset points, and an 8-kilometer pathway that guides visitors through reflection and renewal. At its heart lies this museum. 7 themed blocks spanning 11,500 square meters, each telling a different part of the story. Rebirth, rediscover, restore, rebuild, rethink, relive, and renew. As you walk through these galleries, you're taken on a journey through the history of this region, learning what makes it special, right from the time of the Indus Valley civilization, but also its unique geographical situation lying at an intersection of many tectonic fault lines. More than the disaster itself, though, this museum shines a spotlight on the rebirth, rethinking, and restructuring after. In much the same way that the Syros is rethinking the SUV space, breaking the mold of what an SUV can be. It's certainly shaking things up in this space, and speaking of shaking things up, Smritivan is also home to the world's largest earthquake simulator, an experience that was powerful and unnerving. This is a space that doesn't just showcase history, it makes you experience it, much like all the best designs in the world. Smritivan makes a stunning first impression, but when you look closer, it gets even better. You notice how every architectural detail is designed with intent, the way it merges with the terrain, how light filters through its structure, and how it guides you on an experience rather than just showcasing its exhibits. This is what great design does. It doesn't just exist, it interacts. Just like the Syros, where every line, every feature, every detail isn't just for the sake of aesthetics, but for a larger calling of an immersive experience.
A car and a museum, two completely different things but both driven by the same philosophy. Form meeting function. Smritivan tells a story through space, the Syros tells a story through motion. And together, they both prove that when design is done right, it doesn't just marry form and function, it moves you from within.